Hey guys, it is Heather here from H&P Artistry and My Mood Bath Box, and I am packaging my March orders. I've actually already packaged them. I had this video completely done and ready to go, and then my computer got corrupted. So unfortunately I don't get to be part of the March collaboration that I was going to be in and a bunch of other things because everything is just not gone, but kind of messed up, so it's going to take time to fix. So I thought I'd go ahead and re-film a boxing video for you guys so you can see what's in the March box. First thing is a foaming bath whip in Hibiscus Paradise. And this has jojoba beads in it that add like that light exfoliation, but you can still use it as a shaving cream as well, if you would like. And we're going to slide it right in here. Okay. And our next item that we have is our soap dish. Love this little soap dish. I'm going to slide it in right here, and then I'm going to put a little bit more of the paper shred on top of that. And then we're going to put in our moisturizing bath melt, and that is in the fragrance Oak Moss and Honey. And then we have our bath bomb, and this is our Pot of Gold bath bomb, and it's lilac fragranced, and the little decoration that's kind of like a rainbow is a soap curl. We're going to nestle that right in there. Our next item is our vanilla lavender aroma beads. These last a really long time. They're a really nice strong fragrance, and it's going to go in right here. There is a film on the top that you just peel off. And then last but not least, we have our soap. Now this is our Save the Bees soap. And it is hibiscus, fragrance flowers and top, and the base is aloe and green clover. All of the decorations are soap as well. They're hand molded flowers. And this pot that it comes in is a peat moss pot. So you can take your soap out, the soap is wrapped, and you can actually plant flowers in it. The reason I say that is in each of the boxes you get a form of flower that you could plant that will attract bees. I want to put some more paper in. It's just a fun way to sort of work you into spring, get you ready for spring. Make sure everything is nicely packed in and protected. I'm going to do it this way. Make sure there's no gaps where things can move around. Like I always say, I want things to arrive as beautifully as they are when I first package them. We'll put our flowers on top. And this month's paper has gold spots that look a bit like gold nuggets to go with the theme of the bath bomb. And then, of course, we will add in our card and our information card. Right on top here to remind everyone to leave us a review. You get a 5% off of your next order. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you soon for April's box. Bye, guys.